small g. Now what is small g? What is small g? Small g is called acceleration due to gravity. Now what is the acceleration due to gravity? The freely falling body uniform acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity. What is a small g? The uniform acceleration of freely falling body is called acceleration due to gravity. This term we are discussed in third chapter, motion in a straight line, fourth chapter in motion in a plane, fifth chapter Newton's laws of motion, sixth chapter work energy theorem, seventh chapter system of particles, eighth chapter oscillations. In every chapter we are used small g. What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. What is acceleration due to gravity? The uniform acceleration of freely falling bodies called acceleration due to gravity. Now we want to establish the relation between small g and capital G. What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. What is capital G? Universal gravitational constant. Now we want to establish the relation between them, and we know the value of small g that we are taken in the previous classes while doing the problems, 9.8 meter per second. How we can get that we will discuss in this chapter. Now to derive the relation between small g and capital G, first we want to take earth. Earth is in which shape? Spherical shape. The mass of the earth is m. The radius of earth is capital R. Now let us take m mass of the object. M mass of the object on the earth. When m mass of the object on the earth, weight acts on it. Now we are standing on the earth. What we can measure? Weight. Similarly here, force acts on m mass of the object on the earth by gravity is called weight. What is the mathematical expression for the weight? F is equal to mg. Force acts on m mass of the object on the earth by gravity is called weight. What is the mathematical form for weight? F is equal to mg. Let us take equation 1. Now the gravitational force between small m and capital M masses from the Newton's universal gravitational law, F is equal to capital G capital M small m by r square. Let us take equation 2. What is this one? This is the equation from Newton universal gravitational law. Instead of m1 capital M, instead of m2 small m, instead of small r capital R. Okay, let us take equation 1 and equation 2. You can substitute equation 1 here. mm cancel, mg is equal to capital G capital M small m by r square. mm cancel, g is equal gm by r square. What is capital G? Universal gravitational constant. What is the m? Mass of the earth. Both are constant. But what is the r? Radius. It is different. Why means we will discuss in the next class. So g proportional to 1 by r square. Now earth density. What is the principle for density? Mass per volume. V volume. What is the shape of the earth? Spherical. What is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So cross multiplication. m is equal to capital D 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute this m here. So G as usually G in the place of m D into 4 by 3 pi r cube by r square. Cancel them. What we can get? 4 by 3 pi G D. You cancel them r. But here G is constant. Density of the earth is also constant. 4 by 3 is constant. So G proportional to r. Here G proportional to 1 by r square. Here G proportional to r. Now G is different or not? Yes, G is different. Now let us see why. G proportional to r square. When this principle is correct? By consideration of mass of the earth. When the mass of the earth is considered, G is inversely proportional to square of the distance, or G proportional to 1 by r square. Now here G proportional to r, when? By consideration of density of the earth. When the density of the earth is considered, G proportional to radius. Acceleration due to gravity proportional to radius of the earth. But here acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to square of the radius of the earth. It is by consideration of the mass, it is by consideration of density. Now it is clear G, small g and capital G are different. Make a differences between small g and capital G. This is one of the important question for 2 or 4 marks. Small g, it is a vector. Acceleration due to gravity is a vector. Capital G, it is a scalar. Now it is varies by consideration of mass and density. Not only that, and from place to place, from one place to another place, small g is changed. But what about capital G? It is constant entire the universe. Capital G is constant entire the universe. Next, small g, it measures by the physical balance. This value is measured by the physical balance. It is measured by torsion balance. Capital G is measured by the torsion balance. What is the unit of small g? Meter per second square. What is the unit of capital G? Newton meter square by kg square. What is the dimensional formula of acceleration due to gravity? L1 t power minus 2. But what is the acceleration due to gravity of capital G? m minus 1 L3 t power minus 2. Okay, these are the differences between small g and capital G.